Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video we are drawing the fall habit tracker you see here on the right side. And here's what you need. Your bullet journal is the first one, of course, and I use the scribbles that matter. Then you also need some felt tips. I have the zebra matte liner, the micron fine liner, black washi tape, a white Sharpie, and a set square. And basically that's it, what you need to draw this beautiful habit tracker. So let's get started. I have already made a few dots here in my book. You can hardly see, just because it makes my life easier here in the video. You need to really count all these dots here to make sure you are on the right track and you have all the 31 areas you need, for one for each day of the month. And you can of course use mine, and we also have a printable you might want to check out, and there's a link below in the info box if you are interested and need a quick habit tracker and don't want to draw it yourself. So you can just use the printable and use some graphic paper and get it into your bullet journal this way. But you can totally do it on your own, of course. It's just to make your life easier. You can also just print it and glue it into your bullet journal. You see, it's not that hard. It's just something you need a little bit of patience for. And then you are, you need 2 double lines here. That will later be the area where I put the things I track, and that is why I make these double lines here. Then I add all the numbers of the months, so from 1 to 31, so you can basically use this habit tracker for each month, and you just change the heading on top. I show you just in a second how to do that one with a piece of washi tape and your white Sharpie. It's pretty easy, because if you use washi tape, the good thing is that you can also peel it off if you made a mistake or if you want to have something else written on the heading. So just use a piece of washi tape, put it into your bullet journal, and then use your white Sharpie to write on it, maybe habit tracker, or in my case it's November, so I put on it November. But you can of course use whatever you want. You can see, you can easily peel it off and put it again. That's the beauty of washi tape here, and that's why I love using that for my bullet journal. I thought I even put a leaf on it and then a few dots maybe, so just to make sure it looks nice. You can of course do whatever you want here, maybe use in summer and put in a sun, that depends on your liking. And then I use a zebra matte liner. I have chosen a few colors for the months, like gray and brown and orange, and then I just here I color the lines where I put the habits into, or the where I track them actually. And I totally do it without the set square, because I want it to look natural, and that is what I can have if I just do it by hand. So it's not 100% straight, and I really like the look, so that is why I do it like this. So now I just use a micron fine liner and put in 2 lines in each box, so I have 3 possibilities to track habits if I want to, and just draw it straight by hand once again, because again I want it to look more natural, and that's why I don't use a set square for these small lines. I mean, maybe it would look a little bit, you know, more straight, but I like the look this way, so I keep drawing it like that. So now let's get to the fun part here, the doodling. So I just draw some leaves and branches all around the boxes here. So, and I'm just then going over it and color it with zebra white liner in the same colors I use for the boxes, so it all looks a little bit more like with harmony. So, and one of the principles of design is harmony. That's why I'm going to use that, and it all fits together more. And don't forget to draw your leaves to the bottom, to the right, to the left, to the top, so it just looks more natural, just as if someone has grabbed a handful of leaves and then throw it over your bullet journal. It looks much nicer. And yeah, you will see what I mean in just a few seconds. Yeah, once I'm colored the leaves, that's it from me for today. I really hope you like the tutorial and you like the habit tracker, and if so, please leave us a thumb up, maybe subscribe to our channel and click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. I know you have a lot to do. You can also leave me a comment and link me up to your own habit tracker. I would love to see it. And then I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.